Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use whiteboard in Zoom meeting. It's really simple and easy. First of all, you have to open up your Zoom and now I will simply start a new meeting. Once I have started that meeting, the meeting will be something like that. Now this is how the meeting will look like. In order to use the whiteboard, you just have to click on these three bars which should be open up a menu bar. Here just click on this whiteboard. So as you can see, the whiteboard should be here. If you cannot see it, click on that. You will be able to see whiteboard right here. My whiteboard is right here. If I click on that, it will want me to either create a new whiteboard or either open up an existing whiteboard. So I'm just going to open up a new whiteboard and now you can see my whiteboard is open. Here I can write it, I can do whatever I want, and I can do anything by sharing my screen and everyone will be able to see my whiteboard with these things. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.